Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about one function's stripe off. This is the stripe off function in file handling which help us to remove the spaces. That is not only the space bar, tab space and then backslash line, that is new line space, like whatever the trailing spaces are there, that can be removed with the help of this stripe. Not only the blank spaces. If I don't want to use the letter E in of this end or starting, then I can use the stripe function to remove that particular letter E also. Like the stripe function which use it to cut a particular character from the place where we are specifying. Consider, I hope that you have remember about this 12a.txt. This is the file. First initially we open to know how to open a file, data file. See, now we are going to consider the same file because it will be very easy to explain. We have a small content here now, so that's what. So here we have a 12a.txt file with the name of Eric Galvin. In between we have a space. The square box refer the space. Eric Galvin, comma, space, then class A, comma, then space, 17 of age, then backslash n, the next line. So here we have Jeremiah, space Ranan, comma, space A. So here the square boxes that refers the space bar, where the oval that refers a backslash n. So the file have white spaces, that is blank spaces denoted in square box, and the new line, that is a next line, backslash n, next line, space denoted in the oval. Okay, these unnecessary space can be removed with the help of the stripe function. We have a 3 different stripe function in Python file handling. The first stripe function which removes a space from both the end, that means from here and here. So in a line, the left side and the right side, in both the side we can remove the space with the help of stripe function. See, there is no data inside the function, that is argument, there is no argument this function, so it refers to spaces, okay, blank spaces. Or stripe off, this refers the space present in the right side. Okay, or stripe off, that refers the space present in the right side. The text line, in a line, the right side space will be removed by this or stripe off. L stripe off is a function which removes the left side space. Okay, so now, so these are the 3 functions we can use here. Now, in these function, if we specify any character inside the parenthesis, so instead of this blank space, if we specify a character inside as an argument, then particular character will be removed from the place. That is, if it is L stripe of, in quotation I am giving n means, the n if it is of last character, that will be removed. R stripe of, if I am giving the in quotation the letter 7 means, see here in all the line I have a 7 is a last character. No, the last character of 7 will get removed if I give R stripe of in quotation 7. Is it clear? So if any of the character given in as an argument to this function, that particular character will get removed with the help of the function. Is it clear? Now see the example. I am opening that file 12a.txt in, that is present in C: temporary with the R plus file mode, with the file handle or file object called F. Now I am storing the first line. F dot read line of will read one entire line. No? So I am storing that the particular line, one single line, into the string called L1. Now print L1, I can have what the whole line. Eric space Galvin, comma, space A, comma, space 17. The whole line with the enter key that refers what here it is a backslash n. One next new line character is present there. So this will be displayed. In output we won't see this the enter key, this one symbol. It is for your reference I am giving here. So everything will be displayed here. Now L1 is equal to L1 dot R stripe off. If I give like this, what happened? I have to specify the character to remove the particular. Otherwise, if I didn't specify any argument, a small blank space will get removed. So I am specifying here a backslash n. So this the enter key character is going to be removed from that particular string L1. Yes. So this removes the enter key character. Now the length of L1. Before that, before removing backslash n, I have totally 19 characters from E to this enter key. Is it clear? Now I am removing this backslash n character. So what I have, this length of L1, what I can have out of the 19, this one character removed, so I can have what 18 characters. Now L1 is equal to L1 dot stripe off. The stripe off that specifies wherever the blank space you can find, that will be get removed. So here 1, 2, 3. So those blank space will be removed. Then what will be the balance length? That the character will be 15. Now if I print L1, what I can get? Without those all the spaces, Eric Galvin, comma A, comma 17. I hope you are able to understand this function. Thank you. With this, the lesson 5 is going to be over. We have only one more example to specify how it is can go to the output, or how it can get from the input, what is a file mode like a. So that is an example what we learned so far. So this one, the lesson 5 going to be ended. That is ended there. So please concentrate and study. Thank you.